Hello, this is Abhijit Mukherjee. Today I am going to teach you Class 6 EVS Chapter 2 Human Dependence on the Environment. Final part. Human dependence on animals. Human beings are heavily dependent upon animals too. Besides providing food and clothing, animals are useful to human beings in various other ways. Maintaining the balance in nature. Animals are a very important component of the environment and the food chain. It means that they have an important role to play in maintaining the balance in nature. They eat plants and other animals. They are in turn eaten by human beings. Animals for domestication. Animals like dogs, cows, goats, sheep, horses, donkeys, and buffaloes are domesticated by humans. They're kept on the farms or in the houses. They're useful as pets, dairy animals, and as beasts of burden. Food from animals. We get milk from milch animals like cows, goats, and buffaloes. Chickens, ducks, hens, and turkeys are kept on poultry farms for meat and eggs. Fish is a rich source of protein and vitamins. Cod and shark liver oils are rich in vitamins A and D. Besides fish, many other sea creatures like prawns, lobsters, and shrimps are eaten by human beings. Honey, an important natural product, is obtained from honeybees. Fibers from animals. Animals are a source of natural fiber. We get wool from sheep. Silkworms are reared in a mulberry farm to obtain silk thread. Skins of dead animals are used to obtain leather. Animals in transportation. Animals have been an important means of transportation since the times of early man. Horses and ponies are used to carry loads in hilly or mountainous areas. Camels are popular means of transportation in deserts. A camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Other animals like elephants, yaks, and donkeys are used for also carrying loads. Animals in agriculture. Oxen are used to plow fields. Worms and insects in the soil help to make it fertile. Manure and biogas are made from animal wastes. Plants too depend on animals. Plants too depend on animals for many things. Animals provide plants with carbon dioxide gas. Animals help in pollination and dispersal of their seeds. They also help in increasing the soil fertility, which helps the plants to grow. The green bite. Give and take. We get many things from plants, hence, we must plant as many trees as we can cut. By planting new trees, we are ensuring that our future generations enjoy the benefits of trees as much as we do presently. Role of microorganisms. Microorganisms like algae, fungi, and bacteria are used in the making of curd, cheese, vinegar, and alcohol. Microorganisms also help us in the decomposition of dead plants and animals, and human and animal waste. These organisms make the soil fertile by adding minerals and dead matter to it. They also till the soil and improve aeration and water seepage in the soil by making tiny pores in it. Human dependence on abiotic components. Human beings cannot live on food alone. They are dependent upon many other non living or abiotic things in nature. For example, water. Water is vital for all living beings. There can be no life on earth without water. All plants and animals need water. Our body consists of about 70% of water. Water is used to carry out all major activities inside the body. Water is present in nature in many forms, as solids in ice caps, as liquids in oceans, seas, and rivers, and as gas in water vapors present in the atmospheric clouds. It is used for many daily activities like drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, and gardening. Water is also used to generate electricity, for irrigating crops and putting out fires. Water in the form of rain plays an important role in determining the climate of a region. Air. Air is all around us. We need air for breathing. Plants and animals too need air to breathe. Trees and plants make the air fresh and cool. Fresh and clean air keeps us healthy. Polluted air can make us sick. Air is a mixture of many gases. There are three main gases in Earth's atmosphere: nitrogen, which is 78.08%, oxygen, which is 20.95%, and carbon dioxide, which is 0.038%, and it varies. We need oxygen for our survival. Divers, miners, astronauts, aviators, and mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them. The ozone layer in the air atmosphere surrounds the earth and protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Air is also needed for burning and as a medium for sound waves to travel. Carbon dioxide and water vapor cause many climatic changes, like the greenhouse effect. It means that these gases trap the Earth's heat and keep it warm. Some other climatic changes caused by air are the water cycle, air currents, and tornadoes. Plants need carbon dioxide to make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Soil is an important natural resource. It is the top covering of the Earth's surface. The fertility of the soil varies from place to place. Soil is useful to us in many ways. Soil fixes plants in the ground. It provides nutrients and water to plants. Seepage of water also takes place through soil. This water is stored as underground water and pumped out for drinking and irrigation. Soil is used to make pots, bricks, mortar, and many other things, including decorative items. Sunlight is the main source of light and heat energy on the earth. Most living beings depend upon sunlight for their survival. Photosynthesis in plants takes place in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight also plays an important role in the water cycle. The sun's energy is known as solar energy. It's a renewable source of energy. It is used to run appliances like solar heater and solar cooker, as you can see from these diagrams. Let's do an activity. Let's find out if availability of heat energy is an important condition for germination. What would you need? Few rajma bean seeds, a dish, some cotton and water. What would you do? Step 1. Soak the cotton in water and put it in the dish. Step 2. Put some rajma bean seeds on the cotton. Number 3. Put the dish in a refrigerator to see if the rajma seeds germinate without heat. Step 4. After 2 or 3 days, take out the seeds and observe. Step 5. Now repeat the experiment by keeping the dish in sunlight. What do you observe? You will observe that the seeds did not germinate when kept in refrigerator, but when kept in sunlight, the seeds germinated. This shows that the heat energy is essential for germination to take place. The changing face of the earth. Human beings have used most of the resources present in a natural environment to fulfill their own needs. They have created a social environment which helps them live a better and comfortable life. However, the social environment has disturbed the natural environment. Some of the changes brought by humans in the natural environment are as follows. The cutting of the trees to clear land for various purposes has led to reduced forest cover and has rendered many animals homeless. This is called deforestation, which disturbs the environment. The mass killing of animals and depletion of the natural habitat of many animals have made them rare or extinct. The increasing number of buildings and industries has led increased pollution and more waste generation, therefore harming the natural environment. There is scarcity of fresh air in towns because of the harmful gaseous emissions from factories and vehicles. Clean and potable fresh water is also becoming more and more scarce. To save the environment and to keep our surroundings clean, each one of us should make an effort to plant more trees and protect the air from the pollution. Let us pledge for this. Practice time. A. Give 3 examples of each of the following. Number 1. Plant fibers. Jute, cotton, hessian. Number 2. Animal fibers. Fleece, wool, silk. Number 3. Main gases which constitute the air. Nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. 4. Common spices. Cardamom, clove, cummins. 5. Forms of water. Ice, seawater, and water vapor into the clouds. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash are the only producers of food, green plants. 2. India is one of the biggest producers of dash food item in the world, that's spices. Number 3. Dash is obtained from the bark of cinchona plant, quinine, and is used to treat dash, that is malaria. 4. Sun's energy is known as dash, solar energy. 5. Dash and dash, carbon dioxide and water vapor cause many climatic changes like greenhouse effect. C. Write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Spinach is a leaf of a plant. True. Number 2. Coconut is used for blood purification. False, because it is used for blood circulation. Number 3. Fungi are a type of microorganism. True. 4. Oxygen is present in the highest quantity in the air. False. 5. There is scarcity of fresh air in towns. True.